When the state enforces the law by mob and by camera crew, it stops being enforcement. It becomes governance by intimidation. That is a dangerous shift from the rule of law. Niasa will not accept it. So what do you do when this mob arrives at your gate? Three things. First, know who has authority to enter. Labour inspectors and immigration officers. That is the list. Not ministers, not politicians, and not the police, unless they can point to a suspicion of illegality. Second, demand identification. Every official must identify themselves and produce a certificate of appointment. If they cannot lawfully exercise a power of entry. Ask calmly and ask every time. Third, enforce your own protocols. Your security, health and safety rules still apply. Inspectors are required to comply with them. Write down names, numbers, and times. Stay calm. Do not obstruct a lawful official. But do not surrender your premises to people with no right to be there, and call Niasa. Inspections do not have to become a spectacle.